Hello and welcome to the channel where we show how to do different activities in technological products. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can access new control. Well, the first step is launch your web browser, and once you're there, in one of the new tabs, enter Crunchyroll and press enter. Now select the first link, crunchyroll.com. So let's log into our account first by going on this account or avatar, login. You can also do your password by clicking on this show button and log in. Now. Alright, once you're there, at the top section, we can see news. So that's where we want to select. If you want to get access to news of Crunchyroll. Now there are options: all news, anime awards, event experiences. If you're looking to stay updated on the event side, you can choose events experiences. And if you want to instead go for anime awards, go on anime awards and all news, select all news. And there we are. Finally, in the page of anime Crunchyroll news, where we can find news, reviews and updates related to anime, manga and Japanese pop culture. In addition to them, it also covers wide range of topics including new anime releases, industry developments, conventions and interviews with creators. If you are a fan of animes, this is your go-to site for latest happenings, updates in the anime world. There are also further categories: latest seasonal lineup, feature, quizzes, guides, interviews. You can select as per your preference. Now you know how to access news in Crunchyroll. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding accessing news in Crunchyroll, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.